And now I check the recipe. Okay, this is not in the recipe. I'm gonna put a little bit of citron, absolute citron in here. So vodka, citrus so citrus matches kind of. The recipe is peach schnapps. Don't have it. So I'm gonna put like maybe that much. Just maybe better. Just more is gonna be more alcohol, and less is gonna be less. And this one, even less, but I like it, so maybe recipe is like just put a little bit more. I like it. This one's expensive, but it's orange flavor, so. Cinnamon stick.